as well Arab Jain. Please dear friends onto the stage, and topics given for them are Swachh Bharat as well as global warming. Good luck.
A very good afternoon to one all present here. I, Shlok of class 5, is going to represent a PPT on Swachh Bharat. This was started by Narendra Modi and dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi ji. Why do we think we have to clean India? I'm sure all of us have heard that cleanliness is next to godliness. But do we keep this into practice? Here are a few facts. If our city is clean, then we can easily make it green. Throw the waste away and make the earth green again. Earth, after 100 years, will be exact as the sun, the ball of fire. How can we make India clean? This is only possible by people's participation. We should spread awareness through media, programs and a word of mouth. Suggestions to keep India green. Rainwater harvesting, use public transport, plant waste treatment in the city. Ensure that the homes are well ventilated and etc. Here is a famous thought. If our doorsteps are clean and the neighborhoods, the world will be clean, pure and a healthy place for life to prosper. This is said by Vishwas Chawar. This is how we have to transform India to rich. How can we make India rich? A clean India is a green India. A green India is a rich India. As a new generation, it's our duty to make India clean and beautiful. Green city, my dream city, should be our slogan. Now, let us all take a pledge. I will not litter. Do not let others to do so. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to one and all present viewers. I, Araf of class 12, is going to present a PPT on global warming. First, let us see the contents of global warming. What causes global warming? Information of global warming. What are the consequences of global warming? How we can prevent global warming, and bibliography. So, what is global warming? Global warming is an increase in the Earth's average atmospheric temperature that causes corresponding changes in the climate, and that can result in the greenhouse effect. So, what can you see in this picture? Who causes global warming? Is it man? Or is it nature? So, we all know that the reason for global warming is man. So, now we can see the causes of global warming. Large-scale industrialization, increase in the concentration of the greenhouse gases, ozone depletion, volcanic eruption, and large-scale of deforestation. These all are affecting our Earth by increasing carbon dioxide, increasing the greenhouse gases, increased by the global temperature. Due to these reasons, the Earth's climate has changed incredibly. The air and oceans are getting warmer. So, we all need a solution to stop global warming. It's not too late. Start now. Start by doing small things every day. Like plant more trees, keep your place clean, recycle and reuse, save energy, stop burning plastics, save water, don't litter, stop illegal logging. So, let us all put our hands together and save our Mother Earth. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations children, you spoke right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Slow, my question to you. You spoke about Swachh Bharat. Okay. If you are given an opportunity to keep your dorm clean, what measures will you take?
Ma'am, I'll try to say everybody and keep the dorm clean. And I'll say them, please don't litter in the corridors or in the room.
Okay. What else would you like to tell them? You will tell your friends, okay, fine. But what are the things you need to keep in its place to maintain cleanliness?
Ma'am, after we remove our clothes, please fold it and keep it in the cupboard or please throw it in to wash. And all will come and stand the same clothes and the next day you wear the same clothes and you get diseases.
Very good. Then? That's it. Okay.
You spoke very well, both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
My question is to both of you. You spoke about global warming, which is a very relevant issue. And Swachh Bharat is a new uprising thing which we have all taken up. How do you think you both, okay, contributing to the Swachh Bharat in JIRS, what could you do about it? How can you bring the Swachh Bharat into JIRS? What will you do? What are the different things you can do to keep this place clean?
Ma'am, I hope we all do not litter everywhere. After the munchies, do not throw in the plants. And in this summer vacations, it's too hot, so I hope all of you take 3 times bath in a day.
Arav, you want to say something?
Thank you, ma'am.